Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Unsplash Images in Explainer 4.0. This is a new feature introduced in version 4.023. In a previous video I showed you how to set up the Unsplash API integration, so I would encourage you to watch this tutorial. So I've got a project open here. Let me create a new scene. And here we have a blank canvas. Click on Add Bitmap Image, and then choose Add Image from Unsplash. This will open the Unsplash image gallery, and you can use the search box to search for images. For example, I'll search for mountains and click search. And these are the search results. Now, if I click on this image, for example, it will download and vectorize it. I'll check this box for Don't Sketch and click Add. And it will be added to the canvas. I can then click the Scale Full Screen button, like so. And one final note, the Unsplash images are downloaded to the Explainer folder under the Unsplash Images subfolder. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.